Power View, again, is another one of the power editing tools available in Autocad Mechanical. Now, if we look at our drawing here, I've got a countersunk screw there, a slotted hole there, and a tapped hole there. Now, those are all regular, intelligent parts from the content libraries available in Autocad Mechanical. At the top here, I have a plan view with a center line ready to place a plan view of my countersunk screw there that goes into that plate. So I'm going to go here to content on the ribbon. So on the tab there, select content, and you'll notice now I've got power view right here. So I click power view like so, and it asks me to select objects. So I select my countersunk screw there like so. There's my regular screw there. So I select that, and I now want a top view of that. So I select top, and as you can see, I can now just place that there. Rotation angle 0 I'll go for, and there it is. Notice, look, I've got a hide situation there where I could hide it if I want to. We'll cover hiding later. I'll cancel that. But now if I bring up my mechanical browser, which is on the view tab here, and in the palettes panel, you'll notice now, look, can you see countersunk flathead screw? I've got a front view, which is there. So if I click front, there it is. I have a top view, which is there. So Power View creates views of intelligent objects, allowing you to work with a structure like that using the mechanical browser. Now I'm going to close the mechanical browser there. I've got a slotted hole here. So let's go back to content, back to Power View, and select my slotted hole. Again, can you see there? It's an ISO normal hole, so I click there. This time I want a top view of it. So I click on top there, and it asks me for a place where I want it to go, specify insertion point. So I'm going to zoom in real close and get that point right there. Rotation angle 0, so I'll just press enter, and there's my slotted hole. Now you'll notice, look, it's placed it on top. Can you see that? So I've got a hiding situation there. And what I need to do now is double click on that. That's an M6, so that's all okay. So I'll cancel that. And what I need to do is obviously place that hole underneath. So that's the problem now, is you've got this hide situation. So we will cover hiding later on. So what I'll do there is I'll actually remove that view. To do that, the quickest way is to go View and go into the mechanical browser there. And there's my slot top there, my slotted hole there. But look, I can show the center lines. Do I want it to be visible? If I make it invisible, like so, it disappears. And if I just regen this view here, like that, it doesn't regen properly. It's still sitting there on top. So what I need to do is bring that back again, like so. But that doesn't look right, so we'll look at hiding later on in the next few exercises. But you can see there that I have a slot with a top view. I also have the front view there. If I just zoom out a bit there. So there's the front view, and there's the top view, like before. There's the countersunk flathead screw there, and there's front and top. So those power views there are extremely useful. But as you can see, you can place them on top of each other the wrong way. So you do need to look at how you hide things and how you place things on top of each other in your AutoCAD mechanical drawing.